Actually, well, I think your English is really, really good, to be honest.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
I'm
much.
I'm super honest. Me too. Mwah.
Take
Bye.
care.
See you next time.
Bye
Take
bye.
care. Bye.
Hello, Fabi.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. And actually, it's evening time here. So,
Oh, good evening
yeah,
to you.
thank you so much. And good morning to you. So, it's morning there, right?
Yeah, it's 8:46 in the morning. Mhm.
And it's 8:16 p.m. of evening here.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, so
my
you live in India? Sorry, excuse me.
yeah, yeah. So, my name is Anuj and I'm from India.
Awesome. Nice to meet you.
Nice
You
to
know, I
meet you
never
too.
get the time zones because India has this strange time zone because it's not an hour, 2 hours. It's like hours and a half difference, right?
Right.
Yeah.
And it's in an average, if you calculate, it's around 12 hours, sometimes 11:30 or 12 hours difference in
Hmm.
time. So basically, this is the difference between India and American time. So where are
Yeah.
you right now?
Right now I live in Mexico. I've been here for about
Ah,
almost
okay.
7 years. Almost 7 years. Yeah.
Already. You spent 7 years there in Mexico.
Yeah, almost. I think it's gonna be 7 years in December. Yeah.
Ah, okay. I got it. So where in Mexico?
In the middle of the country, in this place called Zacatecas. It's kind of
Jakarta.
difficult to pronounce, I know, but hold on, I'm gonna show you some pictures.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah, this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like Spain to me because I've been to Spain,
Okay.
and I
Oh,
think
nice.
it looks like,
I can see
yeah.
castles. I can see castles, right? So are
Well,
these
actually, they're
universities?
churches. Yeah,
These are
sorry.
churches. Okay, these are churches.
Yeah, churches, and this is a theater, right?
Hmm.
In this picture, you can see on the left, right here, this is a theater, and this right here is a church, and this is like a
Okay.
museum. Hmm.
So in a single street, on the left it's a theater, on the right church. And which
Yes.
place is close to you? Can you identify anyone?
Yeah,
Which?
actually, this street is really close to my house.
Ah, okay.
Hmm.
So I can say that you live in this street, right?
Yeah, right behind it. Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. And you visited these places?
Yeah, all of them. I've been all
Already
over the
7 years.
city. Yeah.
Okay, so you came here in Mexico in December 2016, right?
Yes. Uh-huh.
That's why. And in this December of this year, you're gonna complete 7 years there already. That's
I just
cool.
loved
That's
it.
cool. Okay, so why did you choose Mexico? Is there any specific reason behind it?
Wow, so many reasons. For starters, my dad is from Mexico. My mom is from the U.S. I'm from the U.S. So they never let us speak
Oh,
Spanish in our house. I don't know why. My mom didn't like it. So I don't know. I ended up with a with a Mexican boyfriend. So he told me, "What if we go to Mexico?" Well, he's Mexican Canadian, and I'm Mexican
oh,
American. So I said, "Why not? Let's go." We didn't know actually how things worked down here. Neither of us actually knew so much about Mexico. But once we got here, we were like, "Oh, we should stay here." Yeah,
and so fortunately you decided to live here.
yeah,
I would say fortunately. It's a great coincidence. And so, what do you like here? Did you like something in Mexican culture or any special food there or any
everything is
places?
so
What?
so beautiful. Like if you go to the West Coast, you find all these beautiful beaches, and some of them are even virgin beaches or virgin islands and stuff. And the water is crystal clear. You can even see sea
Oh,